Hey Google, let's show you our Google Sheet connection where we set everything up. So we're going to click our append. We're going to connect our Google Sheet. It's going to connect to Steve Sunshine. It's not verified. We're going to go to True Visibility. We're going to allow. We're going to choose an existing spreadsheet. We'll get the URL. Paste it in here. Connect. And now we can append, and we can add our variables. And then after action, go to what to do, and publish, and preview. New record, Steve Sunshine. Okay. Oh yeah, there's the record. Okay.